Today's topic is hearing and equilibrium by the ear. So today we are going to discuss how ear helps in hearing as well as in equilibrium, and that is the part of inner ear. So let's draw the diagram of inner ear. Inner ear consists of three parts. First is semicircular canal. There are three semicircular canal and they are perpendicular to each other. The second part is utriculus and sacculus, and the third part is cochlea. Okay, so this is the first part, that is called semicircular canal. Semicircular canal consists of a fluid that is called endolymph. This fluid is called endolymph. Endolymph is a fluid in semicircular canal. There are specific crystals of calcium carbonate, and these crystals are called otoliths. These are the particles of otoliths. Otoliths are made up of calcium carbonate. Now, they help in dynamic equilibrium. Dynamic equilibrium means this part of ear helps you when you are walking, when you are moving, when you are dancing, swimming, anything else. Now, how they help? There are the three semicircular canals. These three semicircular canals are perpendicular to each other. They are filled with a fluid that is called endolymph. They consist of a particles that is called calcium carbonate particles. Inside it there are a sensory part that is called cristae. इनके अंदर एक sensory part होता है cristae. So when these particles of otoliths they strike with the cristae, then they helps in equilibrium. ये हमारी बॉडी को एक equilibrium प्रोवाइड करते हैं. आपने देखा होगा जब आप एक को खेलते हैं ना, घूमते रहते हैं ऐसे गोल गोल घूमते हैं, and on a sudden when you stop, even after that आपको ऐसा लगता है कि हम घूम रहे हैं, because your body comes in rest position, but the particles of otoliths because of inertia they remains in motion. वो अभी घूमते ही रहते हैं. That's why you feel like that कि हम अभी भी rotate कर रहे हैं, हम circle में घूम रहे हैं, right? So this is the part which helps in dynamic equilibrium. Now there are two parts, utriculus and sacculus. Utriculus and sacculus. These are two sac-like structure, and here is a swelling that is called ampulla. So this entire part helps in static balance. They helps you when you are in the stationary condition, when you are in a rest position. Abhi, when you are watching this video, if you are sitting, if you are lying, that time this part utriculus is helping you in providing you equilibrium. Is it clear? Now we have another structure. So basically what we can say, in ear there are two parts which helps in provide you equilibrium. One is dynamic equilibrium and one is static equilibrium. Dynamic equilibrium is helped by semicircular canal, and static equilibrium or static balance by utriculus and sacculus, also together known as vestibule. और इसको याद करना भी आसान है. Vestibule, west rest, okay, west rest, rest में help करेंगे. Semicircular canal will help you in a dynamic equilibrium. Now this part is called cochlea, and this cochlea helps in hearing. तो बेसिकली ये पार्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है जो आपको हियरिंग में हेल्प करता है. तो जो लोग डेफ होते हैं उनको प्रॉब्लम क्या हो सकती है, या तो उनके टिम्पैनिक मेम्ब्रेन में कोई प्रॉब्लम है, देयर इज अ सम होल, या कॉक्लिया में कोई डैमेज है, या ऑडिटरी नर्व्स कांट कैरी मैसेज, एंड फ्रॉम हियर ऑडिटरी नर्व्स अराइज, and these auditory nerves carry message from ear to brain. ओके, एंड इन ब्रेन कहाँ जाएगा ये मैसेज? ये ब्रेन के टेम्पोरल जोन में जाता है, जहां पर हियरिंग के लिए स्पेसिफिक पार्ट्स प्रेजेंट है या स्पेसिफिक सेल्स प्रेजेंट है। नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ कॉक्लिया। यदि हम कॉक्लिया का एक ट्रांसवर्स सेक्शन ड्रॉ करते हैं, see as per your syllabus what you have to learn, inside the cochlea there are small hair like structures that is called organ of Corti which helps in hearing. अब ये कैसे है यहाँ समझिए। It is divided into 3 canals. The name of the canals is up to your choice. If you want to learn you can learn, if you want to miss you can miss. First is scala vestibuli. This one is scala media, and the last one is scala tympani. Now this cochlear region is also filled with fluid that is called perilymph, which is in outer canal. These two outer canal. This fluid is called perilymph. Peri means चारों तरफ, lymph is a fluid. For your information, semicircular canal में ये जो endolymph है, perilymph है, that is same as a cerebrospinal fluid we have done in brain and spinal cord. Okay, so here we have a perilymph. In center we have endolymph. यहाँ क्या होता है? Central वाले part में endolymph. Okay, now here we have 2 cells. This is known as basilar membrane, जो बेस पर है. Okay, and here we have another membrane that is called resineal membrane. They act as a resonance membrane, resineal, and this one is basilar membrane, which act as a resonance membrane. Resonance क्या होता है? Resonance is to match the frequency. तो हमने जो सुना है उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी और जो हमारे कान ने परसीव किया उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी को मैच कौन करेगा? बेसिलियर मेम्ब्रेन सॉरी, which helps to understand what we are speaking. जो हम listening, जो हम सुन रहे हैं उसको समझने में वो हेल्प करेगा. Now here we have certain hair-like structures. And these hair-like structures form organ of Corti. ये मेन पार्ट है जो आपको याद करना है. इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Organ of Corti. And organ of Corti consists of small and big hair-like structures. ये अलग-अलग लेंथ के hair-like structures हैं. And they helps to catch the frequency of different sound. अलग-अलग sound की अलग-अलग तरीके की frequency को catch करते हैं. The smaller they can catch the higher frequency, the longer one can catch the smaller frequency. Now यहाँ से जो भी frequency को हमने catch किया है, organ of Corti will convert them into impulse. यहाँ पे जो भी आपके equilibrium को maintain किया था वो सब impulse में convert होगा. यहाँ से जो हमने सुना वो सब impulse में convert होगा. And कौन message लेके जाएगा? Auditory nerves message लेके जाएंगे. If this is message something related with that equilibrium, तो वो cerebellum में जाएगा ताकि वो उसके साथ में मिलकर हमारी बॉडी को कोऑर्डिनेशन प्रोवाइड करे. एंड इफ इट इज समथिंग फ्रॉम द हियरिंग देन इट विल गोज टू टेम्पोरल लोब ताकि वहां से हमें समझ आए कि हमने क्या सुना है. सो दिस ऑल इज इन दिस टॉपिक एंड रिवाइज दिस टॉपिक, वॉच दिस वीडियो, read from your textbook, and still if you have any doubt please text me so I can answer your questions. Till then, take care. Goodbye.